Hello students, today we learn our new topic software. So what is software? Software is a set of program which is designated to perform a well defined function. A program is a sequence of instruction written to solve a particular problem is known as software. So in general term, software is a group of program or hardware is a physical device of computer. Hardware we can touch, but software we cannot touch, we can just feel the software. So all software has a specific task to perform a specific function. So there are lots of programs in a particular software. So in general there are two types of software: system software and application software. First is our system software. So what is system software? A system software is a collection of programs to design, to operate, control and extend the processing capabilities to the computer itself. So system software is a software which has program which is used to execute computer itself. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturer. So generally these are prepared by the computer manufacturers. These software products comprise with the program written in low level language. So low level language means language which understand by the computer itself. It is also called as binary language, which interact the hardware at very basic level. System software serve as a interface between hardware and the end users. So whatever instruction is given by the hardware, it will be understood by the computer. This task is done by the system software. Some example of system software are operating system and language translator or processor. So first is our operating system. So what is operating system? An operating system is a program which acts as an interface between user and the hardware. So whatever interaction between user and hardware, all task is done by the operating system. An operating system is an important component of a computer system which control all other components of the computer system. Major component of a computer system are hardware, operating system, application program and users. So operating system is a major component of a computer system. It acts as an interface between a user and the hardware. There are different types of operating system available today to cater various types of requirement, like single user operating system, multi-user operating system, time sharing operating system, real-time operating system, multi-processing operating system and distributed operating system. So these are the example of operating system which are available in the market as per user requirement. Such kind of user can select our own operating system by its requirement. Our second example of system software is language processor. A processor is a special type of computer software that can translate the source code into the object code or machine code. So it is a translator software which is used to convert our source code into object code. What is source code? So source code, it refers to the program code written by the programmer in high level language such as C, C++, Java, etc. So a programmer write a program in C or Java or C++ language or in a high level language is known as source code. So whatever code is written by a programmer is known as source code. And what is our object code? What is our object code? It refers to a code usually in machine language or a binary code, a language that computer can understand easily and run on hardware. So computer understand in binary language or binary code like 0 or 1. So a code which is written in a binary language or binary code or in machine code is known as object code. This object code computer can easily understand and run on the hardware. So generally there are three types of language processor we have: assembler, compiler and interpreter. So first is assembler. This language processor converts the program written in assembly language into machine language. So if user write his program in assembly language, it can be converted by the assembler in the machine language program. So assembler is a translator which is used to convert assembly language program into machine language. That time computer can easily understand this language. Second very important language processor or language translator is a compiler. So a compiler is a system software that translate and execute instruction written in a computer program in a one go. So what compiler does, our source program which are written in high level language will convert into machine level language by the help of compiler. So program written in high level language can be converted into the machine language by the help of compiler. This compiler convert all program in a one step. So all task is done in a one step. Then our third translator is interpreter. So a interpreter is a system software that translate and execute instruction written in a computer program line by line. So our interpreter convert high level language program into machine language program. But what is the basic difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler convert all program in a one go, but interpreter convert program step line by line. So it will take more time and compiler take less time. This is a basic difference between the compiler and interpreter. So today we learned what is software, what kind of software are available, then we understand what is system software, what types of system software are available, then we learned operating system and what types of operating system are available, and then we understand language processor, source code, what is object code, then we learned assembler, compiler and interpreter.